So I see the video, I click. Jsanch, Waterfall, GBB25 World League Loopstation Wildcard. I hope you enjoy my new original track, Waterfall, out on streaming platforms soon. This is by far the most time and effort I've ever put into a track. Thank you for listening. Your time is appreciated. You're welcome. Well, looking forward to this. I reacted to you before, right? Back in the old days. See, Jsanch. Yeah, but 1 year ago, GBB24. Look at that, full circle. How we have grown together. All right. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, you have requested it, and here we are. Jsanch. Grab some popcorn, fill up your water, put your headphones on. Let's go.
Jsanch for the United States, and this is my loop. Yo, what's up? This is Jsanch for the United States, and this is my Loopstation wildcard to the GBB 2025 Loopstation Japan Tokyo Japan World League 2025 Loopstation Japan World League. Let's go. But I'm still waiting just for something to happen right here, right now. I'm so sick of all these skeptic people, my dear. No, how has it all come to this?
Mad speed. that switch up at the end made all the difference. It saved you. First things first, you hit the like. I am subscribed, and I'll have a link of the original video down in the description below. What a turnaround. That ending, maybe the best ending and turnaround that I have seen from a wildcard so far here. Because, like, alright, so throughout it was solid, but at the beginning, I felt like it was becoming a bit sort of stuck in the same zone. And with these visual effects, I was asking myself, am I drunk already? It's not even Saturday. Well, actually, technically, it's Saturday at 1 a.m., but I haven't had anything to drink. And so I was like, okay, this is trippy. This is kind of wacky. This beat. And I was like, kind of in the zone, but in that zone of like dozing, like fading away. I'm like, yeah, this track is sort of drifting me, right? It's carrying me. And then it had that moment of like, it reached nirvana. It ascended and went to heaven. And then everything changed, and it was like the drum patterns got stronger, and it just had such an evolution at the end that was unexpected. Nicely done. I'm thinking about it. It's like I am at the standing at the pearly gates of Loopstation heaven, and I'm about to get judged. My heart weighed against the feather, as in like the ancient Egyptians, right before Anubis takes me into the underground. All right. Oof. Very, very strong ending here. Yeah, he went off. He cooked, as they say. Mad Speed in the chat. The Mad Speed, the real one that we have been talking about the entire night. Mad Speed is here. Shout out to you for mastering this sound. As I was just explaining, superb. And all the wildcards that I have seen by Mad Speed, top quality sound. So good job. The one with the hat? Adi Karang, yes. Big boss. I will get to him, I think tomorrow or Sunday, because today I've just been doing Loopstation, so I don't mix the two categories. But yeah, I will do a live stream with a beatboxing, and Adi Karang will be on there. Mad Speed's own wildcard. Okay, now we're talking. But before we get carried away here, where do we place Jsanch in the list? I give you the spreadsheet. Jsanch, huh? As we were mentioning before, Retainer was trying to retain 10th place, just above Leonard. However, Jsanch. What about Unhinged though? This is man, this is getting complicated. What say you, chat? Oh, it's a solo wildcard for Mad Speed. Okay. I guess I am sending hearts now to the chat. Ah, man, it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ah, it's close. Guys, it's very close. But because of that insane switch at the end, the transformation of the track, the unexpected, and ending on a strong note, which is always well advised, I'm going to have to put Jsanch just above Retainer and below Unhinged. It is what my gut is telling me, and I always go with my instinct. So it is what it is. I mean, you guys are killing it. You guys are up there.